This is an island nation. Where would you find it? So in the Pacific region, between Australia and Hawaii, right? So between Australia and Hawaii, you will find this particular Pacific, in the Pacific region, this particular island nation. Why is it important? So this is generally with respect to the climate change aspect. It becomes really important, right? Why are they affected by climate change? Because they are coral atolls, right? They are coral atolls, so they are very, very vulnerable to the rising sea levels. Hence, they become really important. Now, let's look at what is this atolls all about, or how are these atolls formed. So, in case of atolls, what you will see is these atolls generally are formed around, say for example, around volcanic islands, right? So this is generally around the volcanic islands that these would be formed, right? Slowly and slowly, a coral reef will build upon this particular region, right? So these are atolls over which slowly and slowly coral reefs are being formed. Next, the volcanic island subsides, right? Due to different reasons, the island subsides, right? नीचे की तरफ चला जाता है, it sinks, right? And what you are left with? So you are just left with this particular coral atoll island, right? Here it will be water, right? This is the land. That is how coral atolls are formed, right? That is how this coral reef remains, right? In this particular section, it is very, very low elevation region and a very almost at the sea level, right? So it is very much affected by global warming and the rising sea levels. That is why it becomes really important. Also, this particular nation does not have any rivers. So there are no rivers here. There are no rivers. So they are also affected by a freshwater crisis, right? Just drinking water crisis, they are also affected by this particular section. Mostly they are rainwater dependent.